In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use color schemes in QuickBooks Desktop. If you want to make your QuickBooks workspace feel a little more personalized and easier to recognize at a glance, changing the color scheme is a simple option built right into the program. This can be especially helpful if you work with multiple company files and want a visual cue to tell them apart more quickly. The process only takes a moment, and once you know where to look, it's very easy to adjust. To get started, open QuickBooks Desktop and look at the top menu bar. From there, click on Edit and then choose Preferences. This will open the Preferences window where you can manage a variety of settings related to how QuickBooks looks and behaves. Inside the Preferences window, find and select Desktop View from the list of options. Once you're there, click on the My Preferences tab. This section contains display settings that affect your personal view of QuickBooks, including the company file color scheme. Now look for the company file color scheme setting. Here you'll be able to choose a color for the company file you currently have open. Select the color you want to use. This is a simple visual change, but it can make navigation more comfortable and help you identify the correct file more quickly, particularly if you switch between different accounts during the day. After choosing your preferred color, click OK to save the change. QuickBooks will apply the new color scheme, and you should see the updated appearance right away. That's all there is to it. As a quick tip, choose a color that is easy on your eyes and distinct enough to stand out from any other company files you use. That way the color isn't just decorative, but also practical. If you ever want to change it again, you can return to the same preferences area and select a different option. This is one of those small QuickBooks features that can make your daily workflow feel a little smoother without requiring any complicated setup. Once you've adjusted it, you can continue working as usual with a workspace that feels a bit more customized to you. Thanks for watching, and that's how to use color schemes in QuickBooks Desktop.